Welcome back. This is CoFHCore. Oh, ow, 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 those hurt. Welcome back. This is CoFHCore. This is my Let's Play of Direwolf20's mod pack for 1.12. This is actually episode 20. Or is it 19? Or 21? I forget. I think it's 21. I'm taping several of these today. I think this one is 21 now. Yes, last time I was working on the refined storage. I got a crafting grid up, I got some solderers to do some basic work, and I got the controller up and running. Now, in between episodes, I went to the Deep Dark, got some... well, actually, I'll show you. I've got a bunch of stuff, resources coming in from the Deep Dark, because I went and set up the miner there. That should be ignoring. That should be... No, stop. That was my mistake. I forgot I did that. What did you just start processing? Oh, you started processing. Great. Cherry wood. I don't need cherry wood processed. Alright, let's get this back into the thing. And I need iron, copper, black quartz, tin, aluminum, gold, nickel, silver. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whitelist those. Go. And that'll start pulling those stuff in, and I can see what's left over for ores. Yes, I turned on my resource miner on the other end. Wondering if I need... Oh, I got some backstuffed here. Blacklisting. Let's see what got backstuffed here. Oh, birch saplings and... Why did birch saplings and that could... That's interesting. I don't know why they got... We'll put birch saplings back in there. Really not going to do any good. Gold ore. Sort that there. That's going in there. So I need gold ore. And silver ore is sorted. There's lead. Silver. Do I have silver in here? Nickel. I do not have silver. That's why it's not moving that way either. Silver ore. Basalt. I really wish I could avoid that basalt. I might put it in a... Anyway, yes, let's... now that's back up and operational. It'll be continued to grind. We've got that going. We've got resources plowing into here. We're going to have to go through this eventually. Oh, we got a nice load of platinum going in there. I do need that glass, though. The glass will be useful later on, so I'll take that. So, yeah, I went into the Deep Dark, set up the resource miner. It's going now. I am probably pouring through all my energy. Got to go do a quick check on that. See what we got going down here, because we're probably... Oh, yeah, we're drained. Okay, so I've got to go to Deep Dark and turn that off. Let me go do that, and... Well, actually, let me see how we do. Well, there's back stuff in here. We're doing good. How are we doing with... we can crystallize... Oh, we're out of power. I think I made a batch up before I left. Yes, I did. But it's only 64, so it's going to go through quick. Back off so I can make sure it drops. Hey, it's working. I'll always try and check to make sure that's working. Now, I also forgot to check if I had chunks. Yeah, I see. I completely forgot that I can claim chunks around here. What is that behind me? Oh, that's the corrals. Okay, don't worry about... Don't need the corrals. Don't need... Well, I should have the wheat claimed. So let's claim that. Come on. Yeah, we'll just claim the whole region around there. I don't care about those being claimed, but we will chunk load these. There we go. So we will continue to produce power, because that's something I realized. Oh, wait. I'm not transferring anything because guess what? Oh, look. You saw me harvest them at the beginning, and they're already reharvestable. Yay. Broken mods for the win. So, anyway. This episode, now that I've wasted 5 minutes of it, catching you up on what I did, I want to continue working in the crafting grid. I want to get up and I want to get some storage units done, and I want to try and see if I can get some crafting units done. So to do that, find storage. We find here, this looks like a disk drive, but it's not. It's a disk manipulator. What we want is storage monitor, no. Security manager, no. Crafting, disk drives, right there. So we need a box and advanced processor and quartz. So let me check. Okay, my inventory. I don't know why I have 15 of those there. I don't need the rotten flesh, so I will trash them. Okay, so now we need some quartz. We need my machine casings from last time. And what else did we need? Some boxes and advanced processors. I stuck the advanced processor down here because it's a lot easier to find them that way. And I know I have some boxes. There's a chest. That'll work. We'll get the first one up. Okay, now this is what you store your disk drives in. Disk drives are these units right here. You have 1K, 4K, 16K, 64K, and then there's add-ons that go up even higher. Refined storage says fluid. There's refined. I thought there was an add-on that allowed you to go up higher. An add-on. No, maybe not. Huh. Okay. Well, that is kind of annoying. I'll have to think about that. But in the meantime, I'm going to make these, get all these back in my inventory because I might need to make some more. But here's what we do for disk drives. In order to create a 1K disk drive, you need a processor. Well, you need the CPU, a storage part, and a storage housing. Or you can make them directly. Either way, the recipe is the same. I mean, I don't know why they did it that way, but this one's pretty easy. Silicone, glass, redstone, quartz. Easy peasy. Of course, I left all my glass. No, actually, my glass is up here, isn't it? Yes. Glass. What did I say it was? I need glass, redstone, and quartz. Silicone. Yeah, okay. The only thing I might be missing is my silicone. Do I have silicone up here? Little ball looks like silicone. Looks like a slime ball. Is that it? No, that's right, slime ball. Okay, may have to go downstairs. I may have used it all up, but okay. So I need another stack of silicone. Redstone I've got. No, I don't. Of course not. A stack of redstone, and then I should have everything there to make these. Yep. So I am going to make a bunch of these because I'm going to need a bunch. Yeah, I'll put together 16. Okay. Because each one builds on the other. So if you have a 16, so that is a 1K storage, gives me 1K of storage. So I can store 1,000 things. Not a whole lot. Next step up is 4,000. But that requires a 4K storage part, which is made from 3 1K storage parts, plus some basic processors, which is another reason why I made a lot of basic processors. And I usually like to go for the 16, at least the 16, sometimes the 64, but they're really expensive. But the 16s aren't too bad because the 16s, you go in and you're using the improved processors, but you need 3 4K, which means you need 9 1K storages in order to get that done. So I should have enough to get... I need more Printed basic circuits. Okay. Not a problem. Just throw those in here on the ultra-fast crafter. Oh, I'm going to need more silicon too. Yeah, what happened? Oh, that's right. I used up my entire stack of silicone. I might have to start... This is why I was worried about silicone, because silicone is a... Oh, you were already set up to do that, weren't you? Okay. Hold on here. Let's put that over there. Put more in there. We'll get some more of those going. Okay. So, where's my... Do I have my crafting on a stick here? No, I don't. I should really start carrying that around again. Okay. So, to get a 4K storage, which I need... Alright, let me revise that again. 16 needs 3 4K storage, which needs 9 1K storage. So, I have 16 1K storage, which is good. The 4K storage requires redstone, which I have plenty of. And let's go do that one. That was silly. I only have enough for 2. Oh yeah, because I didn't grab enough. Hopefully I've got... Yep, there's 15. Get the rest of these printed up. Get another one of these. Okay, and then I need one. Really? Oh. Ooh, 2 of you. Hi, guys. Yeah, I did notice that the zombie village... Really? Come on. Really? Yeah, you're gonna have to hit the wall. Ha ha ha, you can't touch me. Where did he go? I do need to get better armor. Let's get eat some food. Alright, so now we have a disk drive, and what we're going to do, I'm going to put the disk drive now over here, so it gets some power. So it's online. I don't quite have the disk drive yet, because I need to go make it. We'll go make that next. A 16K storage housing requires that. Alrighty. We now can store stuff. And here's what happens when you do it. We pop a 16K storage disk in there. And now, when I go up to my... I can put stuff in here. See? Pull it out. And now I can make stuff because I have a crafting grid attached to it. Basically, what it acts as, a storage chest that holds 16,000 items. Let's drain this out of me. Really should do this somewhere else so I can pipe that down to my storage system downstairs. But you can also do fluid through the system. There's a separate crafting grid for fluid, the fluid grid. There's a pattern grid, which we'll get to later, because that is how we make up our crafters, which is what we're going to discuss next. But I would like to see a wireless crafting grid. I can do that. That would be nice. I could do that because I've got stuff around here. But off camera, what I'm going to do between episodes is I'm going to start converting all this stuff, transferring all these boxes into that 16K storage downstairs. But I'll show you the next step that you should do when you look at doing this is you need to create a pattern grid and the crafter. Now, they're both very useful things. Crafters will allow you to craft things, amazingly enough. It's funny how that works. So let's go out here and let's see if we have what it takes. First, we're going to do a pattern grid, which requires a grid, which I actually do have everything I need on me. So now I have the grid. What did I need for... No, not the crafting grid, the pattern grid. I need a pattern. Pattern is that. I have that on me too. And then what do I need in between? Redstone? No, advanced processor. Do I have? Yes, I do have an advanced processor, so let's go whip one of those up. Clear out the rest of this stuff, because these should be done. Yeah, 38 printed. Basic processors, get rid of those. Okay, so I need a pattern, advanced processor, and the grid. There's the pattern grid. Now, I'll store that upstairs for... Whoa! That was interesting. I'll store that up here. Now let's do this. Oh yeah, another thing, even if you break the crafting grid, I'm going to put the pattern grid underneath you for reasons that'll be apparent. You won't be using... Now the pattern grid does show stuff that's in there, but unlike the crafting grid, it will allow you to create what's called a pattern storage, which goes into the crafter and allows you to automatically store that pattern so you can just craft it on demand. And then I'm going to put the crafter up there. Okay. Now you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put these in here because I'm going to need them later. We'll put some glass in there, printed circuits, quartz, some redstone, and show you how this works. Now let's get another... Do I have enough for another 16K drive? Probably not. Nope, I'm missing... So I need to make another 3 4K storages, and I don't have enough. I need 2 more 1K storage parts. So let's see if I can do that. Recipe. Nope, I'm missing silicone. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Get a couple stacks of silicone. Put these in here. Alright, and right now it's currently sorted on number. You can sort on ascending or descending. You can actually have a redstone signal on this, don't know why. Quantity, name of the item. Sorting ID type based on their Minecraft ID type. Their last modified, last in, first out kind of thing. And quantity. Search mode box, normal, auto-selected, JEI, synchronized, so that when you type in here, like processor, it automatically types in JEI, so you can look at all the JEI. Let's just go with JEI synchronized. Now I can stretch or reduce that, and it's up to you. I need to clear this out because I want to do silicone. Now the great thing about this is I can go, I need 2 more, so I go 1, 2, pop them in there, and then I can go to processors. No, let's see, 16K. There we go. 16K, 4K. Hit that. 1, 2, 3. Pop those back in there. Hit that. Pop that in there. There we go. 16K. And then we go for a 16K storage module. And there you go. I now have 2 16K storage disk drives. Now, unfortunately, you can't upgrade them, which is kind of a bummer, but you can, you know. And here you see 288 items out of 32K. This tells you 0% full. You can block stuff from going in here. So say you don't want any cobblestone or something that you know you mine a ton of. You could block it. You know what? I'm getting a little tired of this. Let's do this. Just to close this off so I don't have to keep running over it. We're going to have to come up with something like that. Is elevators in here? Yes, they are open blocks elevators. Yay! Okay, I may put that in. That'll be much easier than having to fly all the time. So, alright, so now we've got our crafting grid, and we've got our pattern grid. Now what we're going to want to make is the crafter. And that is made right here, Refined Storage Crafter. Crafter Manager. I wonder if that's a new block. If that does what I think it does, it allows you to put stuff into your crafters remotely, which would be amazingly nice. Batch crafter, flowed crafter from Industrial Craft. Crafter. Anyway. Okay, so let's see. Crafter. What do we need? We need destruction, construction, and a bunch of advanced processors. And we're missing... What are we missing? Oh, machine casings. I need stone. I'll pop in some stone there. Throw it into the grid. And... of course. Let's get a couple of these. Oh. I'm out of refined quartz. Okay, that's a minor tragedy. Do I have more refined quartz? I think I have more refined quartz. Let's get that out of here. Quartz enriched iron. That's what I want. Put that in here. There we go. That makes me happier. Okay. Put one of these in there. We now have a crafter. Now the great thing about this crafter, and I'll show you very quickly, is they can go pretty much anywhere. As long as they're attached to the network, they will work. So what I want to do, I want to keep this for drives areas and stuff. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to put it up here. Alright, and it has 9 slots for recipes. It can be speeded up. It can take, you know, it'll accept all sorts of different mods. Oh, I'm sorry, upgrades. If you look at refined storage, you have quite a few. Range, speed, crafting, stack, interdimensional. That's going to be an amusing one. But what happens now is if you create patterns, which are pattern. I made one before. Where did it go? Pattern. Oh, there it is. Wow, no one. Okay, let's make, yeah. See, there's the glitch with this interface. Unfortunately, this is not due to the mod. This is due to the texture pack that I'm using. That it offsets by 3. It's a small problem. I'm not going to worry about it. But that's our pattern. I didn't want to do that there. I wanted to do that up here. Create me a pattern. Oh, what are we missing? We're missing glass. I thought I put glass in there. Let me see. Oh, no, there it is. Oh, I must have used it all up. Okay. Yeah, this mod does use a lot of glass, a lot of silicone. Okay. So I create the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good. I can then put them into the pattern chest here. See how it's kind of off-centered by one column? It's kind of weird. But I can create that pattern, take it out. If I look at it, it looks, well, yeah, that's a bad example. But if I click on here, I put it in the crafter, I now have that as a locked crafting pattern that I can just go up here. If I look and just show only craftables, I can craft a refined pattern just by clicking one, telling it how many number I need. I do some basic things first. Let's do this. I know it sounds stupid, but you got to teach it everything it needs to know. So, Oakwood bundles, or dictionary that, so that it will create oak. And when you hold the shift key down, it shows you your pattern, what it actually will make. So we'll go with that. I need sticks. Yeah, you have to teach it the very basics. Go click that, or dictionary it. Now sometimes you don't want to or dictionary it, because if some recipes are particular, you don't want to or dictionary it. And then I want to do chest. Do a plain old chest. There we go. And then I can go down here, pop it in my handy dandy. Whoops. Oh, that's great. The chest still has no pattern. Ugh. Yeah, there's something broken with that texture. Don't know why. Ooh. A little too much. But now if I look at it here, see, I can craft all of them. So if I want a chest, I can just go click start. Tells you I have 8 available. I needed to craft 1. Boom. Done. Boom. There you go. Alrighty. Now let's go check on my power. See how that's going. Something. Oh, that's still doing. Oh, shoot. I'm down here with my ring on. I really have to make that Signolia to stop that. Oh, and I do need... let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to craft those quickly. One is the loneliest number. Sorry. That's enough for that. And then I need this. And I need to get 2 of these done. Thank you. I need to put that on the system power so that it properly drains. That'll make up some more of those. It'll take a while. I'll throw some more in there so that keeps going. Yeah, they're almost out. But I'm doing good on... Yeah, it's not breaking the bank. I'm getting 720 RF out of all these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 120 times 5, 10, 11. Oh yeah, I was looking to see where I came through here to see if I could run a line, but not going to do it right now. That's a renovation project when I need to. Well, once I've gotten this crafting sorted out over here. But hopefully my resources have been consistent. Yeah, we're getting stuff slowly. You're churning away. You've got lots of resources. Yay! No, we don't have any gold yet. That's iron. It's doing all iron. Why is it doing all iron? Because there's lots of iron, not much gold. I might need to upgrade my iron. Yeah, I think, you know what, I might need to pop something into that iron, because what is it? Normal is 2,000. Oh, that's interesting. It popped in there. Okay. Oh, that's fine. 2048. What do we got? Did I already put one in there? I may have already put one in there. No, I did not. But it's a compacting drawer. That's right. It only holds 16. Yep, there we go. Gold storage. Let's go pop that in there. That'll do that. Copper. Oh. Did copper hit its max? I don't think so. 1280 should not be copper's max. Anyway. Alright. So there you go. I will build some more crafters and get some more crafting recipes, because as you saw, you need to do the basics first before you need to walk before you can run. So, and that's kind of, you know, once you've mastered the part, once you understand how to make the pattern, and then also there is a clear button here. I may delete this. I'm going to try and figure out how to fix this, because it's really annoying. But anyway, this is what I've been working for. It makes organization and mining and doing everything else much easier. I think what I'll do is leave this running for a bit so I get some more resources, because I'm really trying to get the gold. And it will take it a while to mine there. But anyway, this is CDevils2. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like below. If you are interested, please subscribe. I always enjoy comments, so leave them below as well. But anyway, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.